Okay, guys, if you thought the last video was easy, this one is just as easier. Just as easy. Thank God I'm a math teacher instead of English teacher, right? So, but anyways, how do you find the amplitude of a sinusoidal function from an equation? That's what we're going to do. Don't be shocked by how easy this is, by the way. Check this out. Okay, so it's the next one I assigned to you yesterday. Again, you could see the title here, amplitude, sinusoidal function from equation. Here's our first equation. Notice it did not give us a graph. No big deal. Guys, look right there. You see, guys, what you need to understand is, let's say this is a regular sine function. Okay? So this is sine x, right? If I were to give you 2 sine x, in other words, 2 times sine x, you know what the only difference would be? It would be 2 times taller. So this right here would be 2 times what this is. Okay? So the number in front, the coefficient, is your amplitude. So this one, see, is 7 times whatever sine is. That means it's going to be 7 times higher. Your amplitude is 7. Okay? Next one. Now this is the only trick, guys. Pay attention. See how it's a negative 2. Remember, all the negative is going to do, check this out. Let's say this is a regular sine wave again. All the negative is going to do is flip it over. So it's going to go up and down the opposite way. Instead of up, it's going down. Instead of down, it's going up. All right, that's all the negative is going to do. So what is the amplitude again? It's the number part. So you could think of it as you just do the absolute value of whatever's there. Because the amplitude is simply 2. It's not negative 2. It's 2. It's again going up 2. It's going down 2 from the midline. Okay? That's what it's doing. That's the amplitude, 2. So negatives, just ignore the negatives. We already got 2 done. Check out the third one. What is the amplitude for this function? It's times by 5, so it's 5 times higher. Done. Last one. What's the amplitude for this cosine? It's 8 times the regular cosine, so the amplitude is 8. By the way, what does that minus 9 do? It moves the whole graph down 9. So let's say this is a regular cosine. The 8 means it's now 8 times taller. The minus 9 means this graph actually, here's the midline, this whole graph literally is just going to shift down 9 spaces. That's what the minus 9 is going to do. Okay? And basically that tells you where the midline is if you watch my previous video. So the coefficient, guys, is your amplitude. The number plus or minus at the end tells you your midline. Okay? So guys, since the video is so darn short, I just want to remind you again to trust me, work hard for me. No letter grade is going to drop from 100% of you. Your percentage may slip a little bit higher or lower, okay? But if I have to NA it to make sure it doesn't go to the next letter grade, I will do that for you. What I want to focus on is helping my CDF students get a higher grade. And the best way I can do that, again, is put it in like a quiz or test grade so it has more power. It's weighted more, you see? So please trust me. And since I have a few more moments, hopefully you're still listening. Guys, I want to remind you, regardless of how well it goes for you the rest of this semester, next year, when we're back together again at good old Novi, please find me when you need help, okay? I will help you. I will do everything I can to advise you and help you. I will tutor you for free if that's what it takes, okay? We will work out something. But the bottom line, guys, is I want to take care of every one of you if I could, okay? I want to make sure you know that. All right? And I'll just keep working hard for you at my end at home, guys. I'll see you around.